it's Miss Tay Rosé. Today I'm here with you with another makeup tutorial, and this time is this emerald green eye look. And this time around I didn't go into my palette that I usually would do, but you will see later on what I use in order to get this nice sparkle, so that way you are the center of attention. If you want to see how I achieve this awesome sauce look, keep watching. Before I began my other eye, I was here jamming to some music because it was on a pop-in for that day. And I was just excited to get started with my other eye. Now, first things first, what I did was I went in with my Rimmel Last and Finish Breathable Concealer in the shade Medium. And I'm going to apply that all over my lids. Now, the point of me doing this is so that I could create a nice base for the colors that I will be using for this look. Now after that, I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to take the shade Golden Ochre, and I'm going to apply that as my first transition shade. Followed by me going into the Makeup Revolution London palette in the shade Division, and I'm going to take that peachy shade and I'm going to apply that on top of my Golden Ochre as one of my crease colors. And then afterwards, I go into the shade Real Guard back into my Renaissance palette, and I'm going to apply that so I can create a nice orangey shade for my crease. Now for my lids, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Never Fail eyeliner in shade Black, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, followed by me taking the smudger on the end. I'm going to smudge it out only on my lid. Going back to my Reloaded palette in Division, I'm going to take that green shade. I'm going to apply that on top of the black, followed by me going into the ABH Prism palette, and I'm going to take the shade Throne, and I'm going to apply that over the green so to create a nice shade of green. For blending, I'm going to use that brown shade from the Division palette, and I'm going to blend it so that way there's a nice gradiency from the lightest color all the way down to the green. Now I'm going to take my Sephora glitter in the shade Glittering Emerald, and I'm going to apply that only on the green so it can be that nice pop for my eye look. Now I'm going to take my New York Colors City Proof 24-Hour Waterproof Eyeliner pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes or at my waterline, followed by me taking that same brown from the Division palette, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes. Now I'm going to take Lucid from the Prism palette, and I'm going to take that nice shiny shade from the Reloaded Division palette, and I'm going to create my brow light or my brow bone highlight color, and I'm going to apply that underneath my brows. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Bow and Arrow, and I'm going to apply that directly onto my lips. Now for this look, I already did enough for the eyes, so I want to go soft with the lips. And that's it. I'm finished with my look. Of course, I gotta fix my hair. I'm feeling myself. There goes a double take of my eyes. I'm loving it. And jamming at the same time. I got my shoulder dance going. I got my shoulder dance going. And she happy. And she happy because it's Tay Rosé approved.
thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video so much, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And also make sure to subscribe to see more of my videos and click on that bell so that you get notified for when more of my videos come out. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. And also, don't forget to share this with your friends and family. Bye!